Hey guys, Andy with Elite Force here. Today I'm going to show you guys the HK MP7 gas blowback. This is OEM by KWA and it comes complete with a 1-year replacement warranty. In the box you will find an owner's manual and registration warranty cards. Make sure you fill these out, send these in. Again, it's a full-year replacement, so don't miss out on that. Inside the box you will find the HK MP7 gas blowback itself, 40-round green gas mag, and a hop-up adjustment tool. Alright guys, the MP7 itself is a fiber body, but it does have metal rails and a metal top rail. It does come complete with flip-up sights, retractable stock, fold-down grip. Guys, on this grip, to get this to fold back up, you have to release that button at the bottom. Otherwise, you will break this. We see it all the time. Comes complete with full HK trades. Alright guys, this is a green gas gun, so we do recommend Elite Force Fuel green gas for this. I'm going to show you guys how to load the mag. Turn it upside down, take your fuel, insert the nozzle, give it a good 4 to 5 seconds, release, repeat. You should be good to go. For this particular gun, we are going to recommend Elite Force .25 BBs or heavier. Fill your speed loader. It is a 40-round capacity mag, so take your follower, pull it down, lock it into place. Take your follower, press the button, release it back to the top. Insert your mag, cock it, you're good to go. Alright guys, that's the HK MP7 gas blowback by Elite Force. You can find that at fully authorized Elite Force dealers near you. Thanks guys.